Hello, this is Ashish and you are watching Born Again, and today we are going to talk about how you can believe yourself, how I can believe in myself. Many times we all know that believing is receiving. If we can believe, we can have that. But it gets complicated when we see that we are unable to believe in ourselves, and there is reason for that, and we are going to talk about this. But there is one more thing, one more foundational thing that you have to understand to have your belief in yourself, to have that belief within you always. So we are going to talk about this belief thing thoroughly today. Believing is receiving. Belief is very much needed if you want to create something, if you want to create your dream life. And most of us already know this. But the complication begins when we see that we are unable to believe ourselves. And there is two reasons for that mainly. The first reason is comparison, and the second is influence. About the comparison, we always compare ourselves with others, but whenever you are comparing yourself, you are getting yourself down. You cannot uplift yourself by comparing yourself with others, because no one lived your life. No one can see things like you. No one can be you. Everyone has their own being. Has your unique beingness. And the other reason that we can't believe in ourselves is influence. Influence that we get from our surroundings, our family members, our friends, our colleagues, our surroundings, the people that who wants us to live like them, who wants to see like them, who want ourselves to be like them. This is not a wrong thing, because whatever they are living, whatever they are believing, they are getting result from them. Whatever they are living, they are believing in that, they are working on that way, and they are getting results. And so they want that results for us also. But there is a problem in this version of construction, because no one can see like you. You are unique in your way. Any two person in this world don't see a thing in a single way, in a similar way. Everyone sees this world in their own unique way. And you are also a unique person. The foundation that you have to understand to believe in yourself, to have this belief always within you, it is that you are unique. This foundation that you are unique is must be in yourself, to have your belief in yourself, because your uniqueness is incomparable. No one can compare with your uniqueness. Just like your fingerprint is unique. How you walk is unique. How you write, your handwriting, everything, how you talk, how you think, everything is unique, because you are a unique vibrational combination. Your frequency is unique in this world. No one has that frequency. No one has that vibration, that combination of vibration that you has. You are unique in your vibration. So in your pure state, you are unique. Pure state means in your pure positive state, in your pure positive vibration, in your liquid love state, in your inner self, you are unique. No one like you, no other vibration is like you. You are a rare combination, a unique combination of vibration, and you are manifested this body from that unique part, from that pure positive part, and the energy that you insert in this body is also part of that unique vibration. So anything that you focus, that you create with your pureness, with your full vibrational alignment. And how you know that? You know that with your feelings. Whenever you are feeling good, just a satisfaction, a contentment will telling you are indicating you that you are in a pure positive state. You are in your unique vibration. You are vibrating on your unique way. And now, in whichever thing you are focusing, you are creating, you are giving your unique vibration on it. And everything that created in this world is created with vibrational flow. And whenever you are focusing your energy, you are giving your unique vibration on that creation, and that creation is being created with your unique vibration and is unique just like you. So there is no comparison for that creation that is you have created with your unique vibrational flow. So whenever you understand that you don't have to compare, because you are nothing to compare, you are unique and rare in your vibration, in your pure state. So you can believe in yourself, because there is no one to defeat you, there is no one to win from you. You are unique and one and only in this world. Your vibration combination is unique, just like your fingerprint, just like your retina. So you don't have to underestimate others to make yourself feel better, and you don't have to underestimate yourself to gain power, to give power, to give superiorness others, because everyone is unique on their pureness. And the other thing is the influence. Whenever you are influenced by others, by other vibrations, I have already told in my videos that whenever you are giving your focus just for 15 seconds, you are vibrating just like that vibration in whichever subject you are giving your focus. So whenever you are being influenced by others, you are receiving vibration, you are influencing your vibration from them. Just like if you are a white color and others, you are focusing on others, how they see, how they think, how they work, their creation, you are including their color in your white color. It can be some red. If you if you give your focus to some other person, you will include a red color in your white color. You will include a green, a yellow, a pink in your white color, and your pure white now is not a pure white. It is a mixture of vibration, is a influenced color. So in your vibration, you can influence yourself by giving focus to others, giving your focus to others. But with your decision, you can get rid of others' influence and make yourself the unique vibrational combination that you are always been. You are always been unique, and from that unique point you have created this body and inserted your unique vibration. And now, whenever, in what way, if you are feeling a little better, you are getting a little good feeling, you are just feeling satisfaction, you can be certain that you are returning to your unique state. And in this unique vibrational flow, anything you give focus, anything you create will be a masterpiece, will be a unique, that is only one in this world. And anyone who experience that creation have to love it, because it is unique. They are never experience something like this, because it is coming from your unique vibration, and it is the only piece in this world. And if you can see yourself in this way, the real way you are, the unique you are, if you see yourself the unique one that you are always been, you never lose your belief, your confidence in yourself, because your creation will going to be always a masterpiece when you are creating with your pure positive state, whenever you are creating that from your good feeling place. So understand that you are unique, and no one here to compare, no one here to win from you, or no one that you have to defeat to prove yourself. You are already worthy, you are already unique, and your only work is to always get back to your unique place, to your unique vibration flow, by understanding your good feeling emotion, by monitoring your good feeling emotion. And whenever you are feeling good, you are in your unique vibrational flow, and from that state, whatever you are creating, whatever you are doing, whatever you are thinking, whatever you are flowing will going to be unique, just like you will going to be a masterpiece.